Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to find the height of this tower, and we have a mast with the height of 8 and a tree with the height of 10 and an observer with an eye level of 2 which can see the top of the tree and the top of the mast in a straight line. So how we can find the height of this tower? So let's draw a simple shape. We have the observer here with the height of 2 and this is the straight line, and this is the height of the tower plus the height of the mast, and we have the tree with the height of 10 and this distance is 20 and this is 180. To solve the problem, first draw a line from here parallel to this line. So if this distance is 2, then the remaining segment will be 8, and if this is 2, the remaining segment from here to here will be h plus 6, 2 meters less than this height. So now we can consider two triangles, this triangle and also this triangle. Both of them have this angle, and also this angle is a right angle, and also this angle is a right angle. So we can use angle theorem of similarity between these two triangles. So we can draw these two triangles here, the first one here and the second one here. This side is 20, this side is equal to this side is 8, this side is equal to this side is the sum of 20 and 180 will be 200, and this side will be this side which is h plus 6. Since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So this side corresponds to this side and this side corresponds to this side. So we can write 8 to the length of this side, which is h plus 6 is proportional to the ratio of this side, which is 20 to 200. We can simplify it. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 20. We get 1 here and we get 10 here. And we can use cross multiplying. We can write the product of these two, which would be equal to the product of these two. So we can write h plus 6 times 1 should be equal to 8 times 10. We can now simplify it. H plus 6 is equal to 80, and if we subtract 6 from both sides, we get h is equal to 74. So the height of this tower is 74 meters. This is the final answer to the problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good time.